So here we have an industrial battery for a forklift, and this would be a water injector, as well as this one. Some batteries are 24 volt, some batteries are 36 volt. In this case, this battery has 18 cells, so you have each one of these. It's an injector because this is a 36 volt truck, so you got 18 injectors. So we're going to pull the injectors off and we're going to check them. So basically you just unscrew this here, you just pull it out, and that's typically what an injector looks like. So in this case, I noticed that there's at least two bad, so we're going to remove those. We're going to take them to a water hose and add direct pressure to it and see if we can get the injectors to work. So there's two of them. So we'll go ahead and take those over and add some water to it and see what happens. And again, this is a 36 volt truck, and it has 18 injectors. So let's hook that up to some water and see what happens. So these are your two injectors. So there's several different brands. Got Flow Right, got Contour, got BSG. So I'll show you how to hook it up to a water source for testing. As you can see, I'm using a rubber hose on one end, and I use these red stops to control the flow of the water. So let me show you the injector system that I'm going to use for testing. Again, for right now, we're going to check two of them. Now this would be your BM320, or otherwise it might be called your Flow Right watering system. There's also several different models. But basically what this does, as the water flows in, got these three terminal balls in here. They'll start spinning, and when the water inside each battery cell reaches a limit, they'll slowly stop. And I'll show you that, but I just want to show you this is what I'm going to use for testing. As you can see on this end, this is a quick connector right here. Quick disconnect connector, and you just install that inside there, hook your hose up, and that's how you put pressure through the water injectors to make sure that they're working. So just in case I made a mistake, this is a Flow Right watering system. You got the 3-ball injectors, you got a quick disconnect here, and you got a fill hose plug. So a lot of people use that just to fill their batteries up or fill a jug of water, and they can see the ball spinning. And once it stops spinning, when you have the injectors hooked up, they'll stop moving. So I'll show you that now. So we find a water source. Screw the Flow Right injector right up into it, like that. Go ahead and install your quick disconnect. You hook your injectors up to the hose, just like this. I use the garbage can to catch any excess water. So now we'll go ahead and turn the spigot on. You'll see the float balls start turning, and then as you can see, water's coming out of both of the injectors. So that tells me that both of these injectors are working. And when they're inside the battery, what happens is, there's a better picture. See, the float balls are spinning, that both injectors are running, and they fill each battery up. As the battery level gets up to here, the water is shut off. I'll show you that. I'll force a lead. I'll make it stop. So take a little screwdriver. See how that shut the water off? And in this case, both of them shut off. That's kind of telling me there may be something going on with this one. But when that little spigot inside closes, it shuts the water off. And then as you can see, the float balls, they stop spinning. So go ahead and retest it again. now we got water coming out one, but not the other. So it tells me that might be something going on with this one. So we'll go ahead and manually shut this one off. And as you can see, this float ball stops spinning. So that's how you test injectors for your industrial battery. I think I'm gonna go ahead and replace this one. This one here seems to be okay. But before, I'm gonna take some lubrication and try to lubricate that and see if we can get that to open and close. So if you like this video, go ahead and please subscribe to this channel. And again, we're just checking the industrial battery injectors. And again, there's maybe 10 plus different companies that make these. They all do the same thing. But anytime the float ball stop turning, you know that you got the injectors and they're doing their job. So again, if you like this video, please subscribe. And again, thanks for watching.